Is your Google Chrome running slow, freezy, or not loading website properly? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to clear cache in Google Chrome on your Windows computer in less than 1 minute. This simple tricks can speed up Chrome, fix loading issues, and improve browser performance instantly. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello Helper, and today in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to clear cache in your Google Chrome browser. And this is very easy and step-by-step tutorial on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. So friend, first step, you must open your Google Chrome. So here you can see that this is my Google Chrome browser. Now click three dot in the top right corner. Here you can see that this is three dot icon. You simply click on it and then find out settings. So here you can see that this is settings. You simply click on it and your settings page will open. Now friend, here you simply click on this privacy and security option, which is available here left hand side. You click on it and you will get privacy and settings page. Now here you will see lots of information are available. You simply click on delete browsing data, and friend, here you will see one pop-up box is showing over here. We want to delete cache file. Okay, so simply uncheck all the things. You only select this cached image and files and you simply uncheck download history. And friend, now done. Here you can select last 15 minutes, last hour, 24 hours, 7 days and all time. If you want to remove the all time data, you can simply select this all time, or you can select 7 days, 4 weeks, 24 hours, 1 hour and 15 minutes. So right now we want to select all time and then select your cached images and files and then click on this delete data. Okay. So when you click on it, then your cache file will delete in your Google Chrome. So friend, this is the tutorial how you can easily delete your cache file in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Hello Helper for more simple computer and tech tutorials every day. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.